every strategy that I am using on my other channels, I will be bringing them here. Hello wonderful people, so you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So my name is Belinda Kumi. You can call me Bella. I am a mother of two, and I have a newborn baby who is 7 months old. So from time to time you might be hearing some noise on the background, and I hope you pardon me. All right, so I wanted to do this channel to help each and everyone that has subscribed to my channel, or those who are yet to do so, to learn from me every strategy that I am using on my other channels. I will be bringing them here for us to learn from it, so you could use it on yours and you also grow. All right, so I hope that we have a lovely journey together, and please do like and subscribe to this channel, and let us go together. All right, so have a wonderful day and see you in another video. Hope to see you soon. Bye.